Hello everyone, welcome to Born for Tech. Today I want to show you a trick that how to screen record on your PC or laptop. So let's start how it do. So first we can start VLC player. Well, I already started because I want to show you on VLC player already screen recording. So I take a new VLC player. So go to the media player, open capture device option, click on that, then capture mode, select desktop. So when you click on desktop, it will confirm how to frame rate. So you can manage on 10.00. Then click on this arrow click on convert. So when you click on that button, so I recommend it to create a new profile, and now you can select on MP4 MDI profile name, whatever you want to do. Video codec, video select, codec selected by H264, then create, and then browse to where the file is saved. So you can whatever you want to check. Okay, save. Okay, this will be option on yeah, recommended. Okay, ठीक है. Yeah, save option. So when you start on click on the start button, so then you see on this timeline it was started. So it's record on your screen whatever you do. It's I'll show you what on. So now stop and click the cross button to exit. There we go. So now we start. It will show you, oh, there is a black cursor. So if you wanna like this video or it will be helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and like and comments on my video if you miss anything or not done by yourself. So thank you very much. This is a trick for how to screen recording. It will help you on gameplay recording or YouTube viewers. So thank you very much, sir.